Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Alyssa.
And I'm Garrett.
And we're the Leffersons.
And happy 2020!
Happy 2020! Happy
We made it.
New Year, everyone!
We made it.
We have made it. And I think we just want to give everyone a big thank you for everyone that watched our Vlogmas videos and commented and did all of that. It was so much fun. And thank you for understanding that we needed some time off after that too.
It was exhausting.
It was very exhausting.
I walked into the room with our editing rig and I'm like, nope, and I just turned around and walked out.
Yeah, so that was kind of exhausting, but we did love doing it. Thank you to everyone that watched. We also just got back from Walt Disney World. We spent the week of Christmas in Disney, so it was nice to kind of do a lot of vlogging for you guys. We have a lot of vlogs coming out.
I think we have about 8 hours of raw footage.
Yeah. So I think we're gonna try to get that out like back to back to back so you can kind of see our whole story. I know usually we do it like sporadically every few videos. We have a Disney World vlog, but I think for this trip, it just would make it easier if we just did it consecutively, and then maybe we can make the videos a little bit shorter for you guys, easier to watch. So that's probably what you're gonna see for the next at least month. We've got this video, which is
2020, starting with our favorite box.
Bibbidi Bobbidi Box.
Whenever Alyssa picked this up from the office there, she's like, the box is so cute. And it is. Look at all the little...
It's very Christmas themed.
Special little treats on there.
And I like that they also wrapped it in the plastic wrap this month so that the box like stayed intact. Yeah, it was just wrapped in this plastic. So it's so cute. I love the little decorations. It's so Christmassy. Yay!
You ready?
Yes. So we get the fantasy box.
Yes.
That retails for $60, and then we pay an extra maybe $5 for shipping, so $65.99. And let's just get on into it. We get Disney merchandise. You should already know this. Things are falling everywhere. This is super cute. This says Season's Greetings from Disney's California Adventure Park. And you've got the entire gang there. That is so cute and festive. So I wonder if this box will be Christmas themed. It'll be interesting to see. Obviously it's after Christmas. We got this box when we were at Disney, so here we are.
And also is the packing list with the prices and everything, so no peeking. That comes at the end.
I like how Donald is wrapped in a bunch of lights.
Because he's just angry. And so then all the contents are wrapped in this red tissue paper. So let's...
Hold on. I think it's a plush.
It is.
Do you think it's what we bought?
It is.
I knew they were gonna send us this and we bought it anyways. Bah humbug. I kind of figured that would happen.
How did you know that they were gonna send this to us?
I just assumed that they knew to bring it to us, to send it our way. So we now have two.
I'm trying to get all the floofies off so it doesn't like go everywhere and be a huge pain in the butt too.
Look at him. Aww.
So this is from what series?
It is called The Classic Cozy Knits, and it is from that series, and he is super duper cute. Spoiler alert, our Disney World haul will be the next video, and we've already purchased this. But I did say that we might get this from Bibbidi Bobbidi Boxes, and if we do get it from Bibbidi Bobbidi Boxes, then we are going to gift the one that we purchased to someone else. Do you know who we're gonna give it to? Do you remember who I said?
No.
You can't say it on here because I think they watch our videos, but we're going to gift our other one to a friend.
Yeah,
so
I remember now.
Yes, so that's okay. I'm excited to have this one. We will keep this one for ourselves, and the other one that we purchased, we will gift to someone else. But this one, he's so cute. Look at him. He's adorable. Like, he's perfect. Of course they got this for us because they know us so well. And then this retails for $27.99. They also put the little stickers on here that say that it's a Disney Parks exclusive. So yay!
So the next item is a pin. I took it out of the little shipper bag. And just from the backer card, I'm going to guess that it is what? Just from the backer card.
It's Princess and the Frog.
I'm gonna say it's Princess Tiana.
Oh, yay!
So this is from Princess and the Frog. And it has Tiana and Dr. Facilier.
Yes.
But it has a spinning element to it. So I'm wondering and it's a limited edition.
We saw some of these at the park, so we were going to pick them up, but then we were like, oh, maybe we can trade for them or something like that.
All right, so on the spinning element, we have Dr. Facilier and Tiana on this side, but it spins, and you got yourself, who's that?
This is like Ian, I think is his name.
Ian the Gator? and Cousin Randy.
Yeah. Oh, that's so sweet.
Now I want to watch this tonight.
I know. We should watch it on Disney Plus.
And so all on the outside of it is, let me get my big fat fingers out of the way, is there's the lotus on the frame of it, and it just sits there and spins.
I love that.
And as I said, it's a limited edition of 3,000. I like it.
I like it too. Like I said, we did see these, but we were hoping that we would be able to trade for them or something like that. So yay!
I like it. Thank you.
Yay, yay, yay. So pretty. Okay.
Okay, 2 more things.
2 more things?
Yes.
Oh my god.
I didn't look at it until I handed it to her.
You should open these.
No, we are opening these.
I think this is a magnet that's...
Anyways, we got 2 little things that may or may not be magnets and or stickers, but I'll start with mine, and it is Baymax. And he's all wrapped up in Christmas lights, and he's hanging his little ornament. I have a shirt with this on it.
Yes, you do.
No, I have a sweater with
You have a sweater and a sweatshirt that both are very similar.
But the sweatshirt I have is bedazzled by the Game Boys.
Yes.
That was part of our ugly sweater swap. We'll leave it linked right here.
Yeah.
But I got so many, I wore that at Disney World and I got so many compliments on it. Everybody was like, I love your sweatshirt. I'm like, it's a gift so I can say that it's awesome.
We talked to so many people that day because of his sweater.
Yeah, it was
We were just
awesome.
friends with everyone. And then, okay, so this one's a sticker because it has like the plain white back. This is a magnet because it has this back right here. That has to be a magnet. And oh my gosh, it's an up magnet. And you've got Russell and Doug and Carl, and they're all hanging by the balloons. Is there a house too?
Yeah, the house
is attached. The house is attached. They're hanging by the hose there like they were in the movie. This is so cute. We're totally gonna put this on our fridge.
Something magnetic.
Some of these little stickers and magnets, they technically have a box for this. The bling or the
sparkle?
The sparkle box. Yeah, we've thought about getting it before. Comment down below if we should get it because these would be fun little gifts to do. And I actually will say that we are kind of cutting out some subscription boxes for 2019.
We're paring down.
We are, and this is the only subscription box that we are going to continue for now.
Yep.
We might switch it out with Magic at Your Door some months. It kind of might depend, but we are just gonna stick with Bibbidi Bobbidi Boxes for now and cutting out the rest of our Disney subscription boxes because we have too much stuff already.
Yes.
I give Disney Kitty a lot of credit. I'll leave her channel link down below too. She's doing a whole no-buy year.
Good for you.
I mean, I
don't
totally
blame her.
feel her because we've been doing this for not even a year, and we've already acquired so much Disney stuff.
And she's been on what, 2 or 3?
She's been on for like 5 years. I can't even imagine how much she has. So you go, Glen Coco.
Yeah, I'm proud of you. I don't know if that matters anything from internet strangers, but I'm proud of her.
Yeah, definitely.
So the last item in our box is it's something for me, which never happens, except for like stickers, is a Captain Marvel card holder wallet thingamajigger.
That's fun.
So this is like a front pocket wallet.
Oh, cool.
So it's real thin.
That's like perfect for you.
It holds about 4 cards, and then there's a little thing in the middle. So it has 4 cards, or 2 cards on each side, and then there's a little thing in the middle where you can fold up your cash or whatever you want to put in there. But it's a, let me see if I can catch it. It's like a blue weaved nylon.
Kind of like a canvas.
Yeah, and it has a Captain America Sentinel of Liberty. So again, this is kind of my jam because this is low-key Disney.
Yes.
And it's Avengers. So like if you're just looking at this, it just looks like a cool wallet.
Right.
Front pocket wallet that you get. So I'll probably use this in Europe or I'm more of a back pocket guy.
But I feel like you have been talking about how you wanted a front pocket for Europe though.
Yeah.
How you want a front pocket wallet for Europe.
I don't carry my keys at Disney, so this could be my Disney wallet.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. That was perfect.
Yeah.
Honestly, all the items were perfect for us. Let's be real. Bibbidi Bobbidi Boxes gets us. All of these items were perfect for us. As we said, we already do have this guy, but that's totally okay because we're gonna gift the one that we bought for
I haven't got to hold him yet, and he's so
super soft. He's super comfy. I love these little wool classic knits. I hope that they do them in all the other Winnie the Pooh characters.
I need Eeyore.
That would be amazing. I need Piglet, and of course Tigger to round out the gang. You need them all. So Disney, you should make more of these and all the Winnie the Pooh characters.
All right, so let's go through the spoiler sheet and see what our total value or cost was.
Do you want me to do it this time? Or you?
Of course.
You do a really good job at it.
Well, thank you for your words of affirmation. All right. I can't even. For the fantasy box that we received this month, the Disney Parks exclusive Pooh Cozy Knit was a retail price of $28.
Love him.
The Disney Parks Authentic Limited Edition Trading Pin, The Princess and the Frog, Tiana and Dr. Facilier retails for $18, and it's that spinner element, limited edition
awesome.
3000.
Awesome.
The Marvel Avengers Captain America Slim Card Holder Wallet retails for $20, and see, that's something that I would never buy for $20 for myself, so it's a nice little gift.
It is a nice little gift, yeah.
The Custom Disney Decal.
The decal, this is the decal.
$2.50.
Nice.
Custom Disney Magnet. $3.50
Woo, woo.
for a grand total of all of these items for $71.97. So if you round up, that is $72.
Yeah, and this box was a $60 box, so we definitely got our value.
$12.
And these, I can tell you, are things that you can get in the parks right now because we were just there a week ago and we saw the pin, we saw the plush. I don't know about the wallet, but...
We didn't see the wallet.
No, actually, I don't know if the wallet is from the Disney... It might be from a...
It's not.
It's from somewhere else.
The brand is BioWorld.
BioWorld. I'm not sure where... So, that's obviously not from the Disney parks, but...
Inside,
still a very cool item.
That's
Is that it?
That's
I
it.
think that's it.
That's all she wrote.
Again, thank you so much, Bibbidi Bobbidi Boxes. This is another amazing box.
Yeah.
Last month was also amazing. If you haven't watched last month, you need to watch it. That was my birthday month. And they upgraded me for free to an Ultimate Magic, and it was amazing, next level. So we'll also we'll leave all of our Bibbidi Bobbidi Box playlists linked down below as well.
Good stuff.
Yeah. And all right, so let's see. The next videos coming are Walt Disney World haul, and we have a pin unboxing to do. And then after that, we're just gonna be pumping out these vlogs for you guys. So stay tuned. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give it that big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Let us know what your favorite item was, or let us know what you got in your Bibbidi Bobbidi Box this month. Subscribe to our channel for more Disney content, more Disney vlogs. We've got a lot coming your way. Thank you for watching again, and we'll see you real soon. Bye.
See you later. Give me two to cuddle.